Hello everyone. For the past 1.5 years, COVID-19 has changed many things in our daily lifestyle. But hey, the extraordinary thing is, nowadays almost all activities can be carried out online. Starting with office works, food orders, music shows, sport shows, and also education. Well, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Raditya, and I'm 12 years old from MTSB Sirojo Junior High School. And today, I'd like to deliver a short speech under the title, Can Online Education Replace Traditional Education? In traditional education, a teacher will teach what they think need to be taught to the students, regardless of the student is interested or not in the lesson. But on the other hand, some students aren't focused, so they don't understand about what the teacher has explained to the students. Of course, students can't rewind or pause the material that has just been given by the teachers. Teacher can also get to know each student characters, which is used as a reference to approach each student. And in school, students study together, conduct experiments, solve problems so that they can understand and comprehend what they have learned during the learning process. And that is the main purpose of education. Now, in online education, it's a lot easier and flexible because it takes place in the via internet, so it helps students that can't enroll in normal classroom and helps students so that they can adjust with their own schedule and pace. And with the development of technology and the internet today, maybe 10 to 20 years into the future, online education can be done anywhere, anytime, with anyone, within the limits of space and time. Now, back to the question, whether online education can replace traditional education? A 2018 study from Multimedia Nusantara University at South Tangerang, Banten, showed that Indonesian people, especially parents, still believe formal education is guaranteed to get a job. To solve this problem, as an initial foundation, the Minister of Education and Culture must communicate to the public to be aware about the new domain of school system in preparing graduates for future jobs that are not sufficiently fulfilled just by formal education through classroom. And if we want to be success, we need more than academic skills, but also soft skills and other supporting skills like business analysis, negotiation skills, communication skills, and others. All of that we can get by combining online education with traditional education that is widely in the internet. However, for now, online education can't fully replace traditional education. Technologically, online education is an advancement in the field of technology, but it is still can't be perfect to replace traditional education. Remember that online education can't replace social interaction between us and other people. But for the future, many people will choose online education since it offers flexibility in their busy schedule. And with high information and knowledge, students must become a lifelong learners in today's world. And online education plays an important role in helping individuals to access self-centered and self-directed instruction. With enhanced software, hardware, and instant access, more options will be available in online education. Student pursuing an education that meets their needs, student is a lot more proficient with technology, and student enrollment is faster than classroom can be built. Online education will continue to grow, and online certification program will be a lot more accepted as they become a more common practice. One thing to remember, education is not the feeling of pail, but the lightning of fire. Once again, my name is Raditya, begging your pardon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.